Hello, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to another thrilling episode of Flipside 05, where we unravel the mysteries of the skies. Today, we embark on an epic journey to compare two of the most advanced private jets in the market, the Bombardier Global 8000 and the Gulfstream G800. Buckle up as we dissect their performances in various aspects to determine which reigns supreme in the world of luxury aviation. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future episodes. Now let's talk numbers. The Bombardier Global 8000 comes with a heavy price tag, hovering around $78 million. On the flip side, the Gulfstream G800 enters the arena with a slightly lower price of approximately $72.5 million. While the cost is substantial, it is a small price to pay for those seeking the epitome of luxury and performance. Advantage in the cost department goes to the Gulfstream G800. Now let's talk about range. Range is a crucial factor for those with a taste for transcontinental travel. The Bombardier Global 8000 boasts an impressive range of 8,000 nautical miles, allowing you to traverse vast distances without the need for refueling. The Gulfstream G800 is an equal competition here, offering an equal range of 8,000 nautical miles. In the range category, both aircraft seem to have a tie. Now let's talk about speed, a key factor in the business jet climb. The Bombardier Global 8000 clocks in at a remarkable Mach 0.94, making it the fastest private jet in the world. The Gulfstream G800 isn't far behind, clocking an impressive Mach 0.925. In terms of maximum speed, the Global 8000 has a slight edge. Altitude capability is crucial for a smooth and comfortable journey. The Bombardier Global 8000 soars to an impressive 51,000 feet, allowing you to bypass turbulence and other atmospheric challenges. The Gulfstream also elevates your experience to 51,000 feet, making it a tie in the altitude category. Let's move on to Avionics, the brains behind these incredible machines. The Bombardier Global 8000 features the Vision flight deck, a cutting-edge avionics system that enhances situation awareness and reduces pilot workload. The Gulfstream G800 introduces the Predictive Landing Performance System, ensuring smoother and safer landings. The advantage in the avionics goes to the Gulfstream G800 for its innovative landing performance system. Now let's talk about luxury. The Bombardier Global 8000 boasts a spacious and customizable cabin, accommodating up to 17 passengers in opulence and comfort. Meanwhile, the Gulfstream G800 introduces a signature oval cabin, providing an unparalleled sense of space and luxury. In the cabin and luxury category, it's a very close call, but the Gulfstream G800 edges slightly ahead with its unique cabin design. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive comparison between the Bombardier Global 8000 and the Gulfstream G800. Both jets represent the pinnacle of private aviation, but each has its unique strength. The Bombardier Global 8000 shines in performance and range, while the Gulfstream G800 takes the lead in avionics innovation. The choice ultimately depends on your specific preferences and priorities in the world of luxury travel. Let us know in the comment section which one you would choose and why. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more thrilling aviation content. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, and this is Solomon signing off from Flipside 05.